We're in San Diego, California. It's beautiful May weather as we stop by my Mexican side of the family to have some homemade pozole for breakfast. Pozole is a traditional soup or stew from Mexican cuisine. It's made from hominy, which is made from dried corn. You can either make the dish with chicken or pork, and it can be seasoned and garnished with shredded lettuce, cabbage, chili peppers, onion, garlic, radishes, avocado, salsa, or with limes. Enjoy. What's this? Oh, this is hot, man. Is this hot? No, I don't want it.
Very hot.
You're trying to ruin my pozole.
Lime juice.
También bueno, bueno.
That looks really good, actually.
That's exactly why I put shades. Because I saw the camera coming this way.
Damn, Timo. Why you only got strength in that one arm?
Hi, Mirza.